Hey, what's up guys? Asheville, Mr. B coming to you from your roof here in Weaverville, Woodfin area of Asheville. We've got a dimensional shingle approximately 15 or 20 years old. One chimney looks to be in great shape. This cap is just splendid, love it. Chimney looks perfect, the bricks look good. I noticed like a little bit of brick moving elsewhere, but certainly like what I see here. It's good. This chimney is going to be able to be maintained for a long time. The trade in question today is a new roof here, and we are going to be bidding a standing seam roof. It's going to have a straight panel from the edge of the roof line all the way up to the ridge, replacing all the pipe boots. So that's, again, all new pipe boots front and back. This one's a little bit different, something unique going on there, not exactly sure. We're going to get chimney flashing for the standing seam roof, and obviously new ridge. If anything's beat up on this roof, the worst of this roof is going to be this ridge. You can see kind of concaved, sort of nasty looking concave sort of look right there. Concave, sort of nasty look. This ridge looks like it'd certainly be a potential to leak all over, kind of hold water, trap water, and then maybe even like let it kind of get through and let it get through and sort of almost leak through these nails that are right here, like the water going like that. But this roof has definitely seen better days, and a standing seam roof would look awesome. I get why our customers are interested in this. Mr. B definitely get you a good price and hopefully get a chance to do a great job for you on this project. Again, guys, my name's Kirby Smith. I'm with Lightspeed Construction. Call us for your next roofing or gutter project. Take it easy, Asheville.